Make sure I have symmetry. Symmetry is it's important in a stock, even though we are not symmetrical people. We don't shoot symmetrically. If we made stocks to fit people, they would look really funny, because we're right eye dominant or left eye dominant. We're right-handed or left-handed. We put it on one shoulder or the other, and so we have asymmetrical needs, but we seem to want symmetrical stocks. So it's a little fat right here, just a little bit. So I've still got that pencil mark, that center line. That's what I'm going by, all the way out. It's pretty good up to right there, and this side's a little fat, but I haven't put as much time rasping and sanding this side as I have this side. Before too long, I'm going to have to pull this receiver off, flip it around, and hold it by this end and work this end. But I still got to leave it on there because I've still got some more meat to take off right in here. This is really thick compared to the metal. This is thick. This side here is pretty good. Pretty good. Somebody put a bunch of varnish on this gun and got it up on the metal. Some old oil-based varnish. It's all over the edge of this receiver. I'll clean all that off before I give it back to him. But I've got to pull this down and flatten it. See, I compare the straightness of this receiver and bring that back. You can see how much is heavy right there. Right there. Well, now and then I have to look at my camera and see what it really can see. You can see how much of a gap there is over here because it's hitting real hard right there. And my straight edge is telling me everything I need to know. So it's still in process. This curvature right around this wrist is pretty good. It's very rough where I've rasped it, but the shape of it is good. So I got to pull a little bit off of here and a little bit off of here to even up this grip cap. That trigger guard is really in my way, you know what? But if I take it off, the triggers are just about as much in the way. So I think I would rather leave it there as a protection. Keep from bumping those triggers. This walnut has a certain stink to it. It's got a lot of acid. Timothy Leary would have been very happy with this wood. It burns my nose though.